my baby. It's your girl Stushy back with another video. If you are new, then hey boo, my name is Stushy. Welcome to my channel. Be sure to click that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed and join the gang. To my return subscribers, welcome back to the channel, you guys. Happy to have you guys back as usual for another video. So today is going to be my Entrepreneur episode 15 video. I'm actually going to be sharing, well, before I get into that, right? I've been on YouTube and I'm not gonna lie, I've kind of been obsessed with watching these videos. They are things you need on Amazon videos, like things you cannot live without. And I figured it would be a good idea to make a video about all the things you need from Amazon for your business. But I figured this would be a pretty good idea, especially since, you know, a lot of people have Amazon, and if you don't, I mean, boo, you, it's 2020. Like, how do you not have Amazon? 2-day free shipping with Prime, like even sometimes 1-day free shipping, sis. I need a quick, fast, and in a hurry. So, especially if I don't have the time to go out and go to the store and buy something, Amazon has it. I'm going on Amazon and I'm going to order it on Amazon and get it in 2 days, get it in 1 day. Why go outside? Why waste gas when I could get it with free shipping? So today I'm going to be sharing some of my favorite items for my business that I have purchased in 2019. And these are items that I think you need if you are indeed a business owner, if you are a girl boss, if you are an entrepreneur or an aspiring entrepreneur. These are for you, boo. And I've got it all listed down below at your convenience, so you guys don't have to write things down. It's all listed down below in the description box. So yeah, with no further ado, let's get into it. Subscribe, as I mentioned before. Turn on your post notifications so that you are alerted every single time I upload. Give me a big thumbs up because I'm here. Like, at the end of the day, I'm here. So I've got my handy dandy book right here, one of my notebooks right here. And if you guys watch any of my entrepreneur videos, any of my entrepreneur videos, you know that I have a ton of notebooks, like 1, 2, 3, like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, at least 4 notebooks on hand. One I might use to manifest goals, one I might use for my YouTube videos. This is currently for my YouTube. I have one for my business. And Amazon has a ton of different notebooks, because if you want things with like stickers inside and things with page markers and things like that, they've got it all on Amazon. I highly suggest you get a notebook to write things down, because I say it all the time, this thing up here, the cranium, the brainium, she's not gonna remember everything. She's already dealing with your thoughts on a day-to-day basis. She's not gonna remember everything for your business. She's not gonna remember everything for your personal life. Come on, like, do her a favor and get yourself a couple of notebooks. You're gonna need them. While you're at it, get some pens too. I personally love gel pens. Like, I don't write with anything if it's not a gel pen. It's a regular ballpoint, I'm good. I don't do basic pens. That's just not what I do. I love these pens. These are the Pilot G2707 pens. I like the 05 as well. This one is actually a 05, the black ink. And you see I have blue, I have this brown orangey looking color, I have this burgundy looking color. My pink one is finished because pink is my favorite color, but I have them in a ton of different colors and I use them to write in my book. I like things to be colorful. I mean, just look at me. But this is my favorite brand, so I'll link these as well, because I always use these to write in all of my notebooks. You don't find me writing in my notebooks with no basic pen. Just call me bougie if you want, but I'm just keeping it real with y'all. Next thing for organization, you guys have seen my how I organize my inventory video. If you haven't already, I'll link it. I don't know which side it's on, but I'll link it up above for you guys. Shout out to you if you already watched it. Yeah, so you guys have seen my organizer. You can find them on Amazon. They have different colors. Mine does have 3 drawers, but say you have a business where you have a lot more inventory than I might have, say earrings and necklaces and things like that that don't take up too much space. You can always get the ones with drawers that aren't as deep. They have them in different colors where each drawer is like pink, blue, purple, white, green. Those are pretty fun too, great for organization. Even though we're talking about organization, you guys have seen this again on my channel. If you've watched my how I organize my inventory video, this is also shown in that video. This is my Brother P Touch label machine. I love her. I do have pink tape in mine. This is how the tape looks, and the lettering is white when it prints out. I use her to label all of my lash boxes so that when a customer receives an order, they know exactly what lash they're receiving, compared to there being nothing on the box and they're confused, like, is this the right style. Is this the right one that I ordered? Did she fuck it up? Like, no, everything is labeled. There are a few different fonts on here so you could play around. You also are able to add like hearts and stars and underline things. So I really like this. And you are able to get a different color tape. They do have like blue and green, or you could just use the classic black tape or classic white tape with white or black lettering. So this can come in handy for a few different businesses as well, not just lash business, cosmetics business, hair business. If you need to organize your drawers, say you have a 13x7 lace in one drawer and I don't know, a closure in the next drawer. I don't know too much about the sizes of closures and frontals and all that stuff, but yeah, you guys get the gist of what I'm saying. My next baby is the Dymo label maker, the 4XL label maker. I love her. This is what I use. You guys have seen this on my channel as well, especially in my how I ship my orders video. I'll also link that above. I'm able to print my labels from home. I highly recommend this if you have a little bit more coin to spend. It does not require any ink. Other printers might require ink, though they may be cheaper. You might be spending money in the long run on ink. It's a thermal printer, so she doesn't need any ink at all. That comes in handy. I don't have to worry about changing cartridges and all that. Too much, okay? All I need is the label tape for this printer, and I'm able to print labels from home and bring them right to the post office and just hand it to her like, sis, here you go. I don't need no receipt because I already have the tracking number. Thank you. And it's lightweight, prints in no time. My baby. So real quick, I want to see where the Stush gang is. If you're still watching, comment down below. Crown emoji right now so that I know my time has not been wasted in creating this video. Comment down below right now if you're still here. My camera's dying, so be ready. Yep. So my apologies, my camera did die because this is what happens when you're filming 3 videos at a time and you only have 2 batteries. Yep, I know. So give me a big thumbs up just for the effort. Y'all is pushing through and making these videos for y'all, creating this content for y'all. While we're on the topic of shipping, these are my customized shipping labels. It does say Caparel Cutie on the front of the package because that is the hashtag for my gals. These are my custom mailers. Though I did not buy them on Amazon, you can get similar mailers on Amazon if, say, you're shipping jewelry, back to jewelry again, hair, clothes, if they have the bigger ones on Amazon. I even ship my mirrors in these and they do not break. So I highly recommend these if you're looking for something to ship your product in. They have a lot of different fun colors. You don't have to use purple, you don't have to use pink. Definitely check these out if you're looking for something to ship your products in, something to ship your items in. So I mentioned that I ship my mirrors in them. These are my mirrors. If you haven't already seen how the mirror looks, if you are looking for a nice mirror to do your makeup, I'm gonna self-promo plug, okay, and that's on a period. I'm gonna plug my business in here, Shop Caparel NYC Mirrors, down below. Now that I've got that out, to ensure that my mirrors get to each customer safely without being broken or without being shattered in the package, because you know USPS, UPS, FedEx, I'm calling y'all out. They often throw the packages in the back of the truck and throw other things on top of it. I'm not feeling that. I've received products from companies and they've been broken, shattered, or I just simply don't get them, but that's a whole nother story. We're not going to get into that today. But I hate when I receive something and it's broken. So to ensure that, or try to ensure that my items reach the customer in the same quality that I sent it out, I like to include these fragile stickers. So I did purchase these on Amazon. This is what they look like. There's a ton. There's at least, I want to say at least 5,000. Don't quote me, but I want to say there's at least 5,000 stickers in here. So I like to stick at least 2 of these on my packages whenever I am shipping out my mirrors, just to ensure that they get there safely. So I highly recommend these, especially if you're sending anything glass or anything that's fragile, like highlighters and eyeshadows and stuff like that. Those items can easily be broken if they're manhandled. The next thing that I would recommend is the camera that I'm using right now to film. You can use this for videos if you want to promote your business. I use this camera as well to take a lot of my product shots. I've made a video of how I take my product shots. I do use both my phone and my camera. I do have the 7 Plus still. So a lot of times I'll just put this aside, I'll use my camera and then I'll send the pictures from my camera to my phone to just crop it a bit so that it fits on the Instagram platform, and that's that. So I am filming with the Canon GX7 Mark II. This camera is rather expensive, so if you don't have the coins or you're not trying to invest in a camera at this moment, use your phone. But I will link my camera as well because I do use it to take a lot of pictures, and obviously you guys see me here promoting my business on the camera. I'll also link my ring light, which is what is giving me this nice lighting right now. I only use a ring light. I don't have any soft boxes or any of that other stuff. Maybe once I get a bigger space, I'll invest in soft boxes, but I only use my ring light for lighting. So it is the newer ring light. I believe this one goes up to 9 feet, which is pretty damn tall. I usually have it at the lowest level. It does come with a tripod, so I did not have to buy a tripod, and I don't have a separate tripod for my camera. She sits right on that. So I recommend a ring light or a good source of lighting when you're taking your pictures, because when you think about it, do you trust a business that has a blurry picture or a shady picture? Nah. You want something where you can see what's going on, where you can see what's being sold, the detail and all that stuff. So that's why I recommend a ring light and a pretty good camera, just because I want to get the detail. I want to get a nice sharp picture. But yeah, so we have come to the end of today's video. I hope you guys really enjoyed everything that I shared today. Definitely check the links out down below. If you have any further questions about any of the items that I mentioned in today's video, drop your questions down below. I'm always around to answer comments or to engage with you guys, so leave a comment down below if you have any questions or thoughts or anything pertaining to what I mentioned in today's video. Give the video a big thumbs up if you enjoyed it. I really would appreciate that, and subscribe if you haven't already. If you've made it to the end of this video and you still haven't subscribed, I mean, what are you waiting for? The next vlog, the next upload? Go ahead and subscribe, and be sure to turn on your post notifications as well, so that way you don't miss out. Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks again for all your support. I love you guys, and I'll see you guys all in the next one. Girly, more modern, more naturesque. I don't even, is that even a term? Whatever, where I'm sharing some more tips and tricks. Since you've reached the end of today's video, take the time out to go back and check out my Entrepreneur series on my channel. I do have a playlist readily available for you guys.